Guangzhou Gaoteng Garment Company Limited, founded in 2006, is a reliable clothing manufacturer with more than 28 years of OEM and ODM production experience. Our company have our own factories. Also keep long-term cooperative relations with many factories. Our company has a number of professional design, paper pattern and core technology production teams. Our company specializes in the production of high-end fashion and multi-category kids clothing from all over the world. We have the SMETA Corrective Action Plan report and ISO 9001 certificates. Gaoteng has kept a long-term cooperation with Disney on jersey, knitted, and woven products, involving reactive printing and digital printing. In particular, the fabric for baby romper clothes are very comfortable and soft. The fabric have organic cotton certificates. We are good at printing, embroidery, smocking, multi-process washing, and other special craft. After years of accumulation of production experience, our company has continuously researched and summarized in terms of quality and efficiency. Adhering to the concept of creating a win-win situation, we strive to continuously innovate in quality and efficiency to help customers to meet the needs of his clients and build up customers' loyalty. Our company will provide customers with a complete full set of customized services. Before placing an order, we can provide free popular fabric cards of the season for customers to design new styles for reference. After placing an order, our company will provide a set of size charts for customers to confirm according to the sample we do for customer, and communicate more or less quantities as ordered before cutting. After shipment, we'll help customers to track the goods customer will get the goods finally. Gaoteng production capacity is summer collection order production capacity is more than 150,000 pieces per month. And winter collection order production capacity is more than 100,000 pieces per month. For large or small customers, our company's quality service tenet is that our company will strictly follow the company's quality standard process for all customers. All fabrics will be tested for fading and shrinkage, and all over printing and placement print pieces will be 100% inspected to ensure that there are no print defects. Bulk QC will also inspect the goods according to the percentage required by the company's inspection standards to ensure that customers are satisfied with the quality and service after receiving the bulk goods. Gaoteng Company mission: train accurate, efficient, and professional team services and help customers continue to grow and produce children's fashionable and environmentally friendly clothing to accompany children to grow up happily. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to discuss cooperation with us, win the market, and create a win-win situation. We welcome your inquiry 24 hours a day.